Salu ala al-Habib sallallahu ta'ala ala Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. The beautiful month of Muharram, full of its blessings, has come to us. This is the new year, and we make resolutions in the new year. A lot of our resolutions are in relation to getting healthy and achieving more. When are we going to make a resolution that is really going to change our lives? Let's make a firm resolution, a firm commitment this year that inshallah azawajal, by the blessings of this month, inshallah, I make a solid resolution that I'm not going to miss one salah. Then teach your children three things. Love of Nabi Kareem sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, recitation of Durood Pak upon Aka Kareem sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, and love for the Quran. If you teach your children these three things in this blessed year, then your life will change. Your children will come closer to Allah and His beloved Habib sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. And alhamdulillah, your home will be blessed. In this month of Muharram, sit the family down together. Sit down and eat in accordance with the Sunnah of Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. And then watch the blessings that this brings. Salu al-Habib sallallahu ta'ala ala Muhammad.